Hello guys, today we are working on Volkswagen Polo petroL at 1,13,000 km. So car user complaint is that clutch pedal is very hard and noise through gearbox compartment. So after trial we found problem is in clutch plate. This is a clutch release bearing completely damaged. This is a complete clutch set. Clutch plate, clutch disc, release bearing. Due to this failure of release bearing, we are getting noise through gearbox compartment, and clutch pedal was hard due to this clutch disc and clutch plate. This is the new clutch set. Release bearing, clutch disc, clutch plate also known as pressure plate. New clutch plate replaced. Old brake pads, new brake pads, sliding dot for brake and clutch oil, caliper pins also known as sliding pins, caliper pins greasing done and replacing caliper pins,